This is the Mail Dispatch mobile robot created in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, Federal University Oye-Ekiti by engineer O.O. Martins. It provides smart mail delivery within a particular environment, and this unit was designed for the Faculty of Engineering. Users are assigned to departments which correspond to nodes in the database of the robot that aids the robot in determining its location and its destination. To initiate the delivery process, the user making a request logs into the web application. Upon login, the user views the dashboard, which can be used to examine the state of the robot and other vital information. The user then heads to the Request tab in order to make a request. To make the request, the user clicks on the New Request button and then proceeds to fill in the subject of the request. Then confirms the request. Once confirmed, the request will appear on the table in the request page. If it is not at the required node, or if it is on another request, it would firstly finish up its request, then head to the node of the new request in order to be able to pick up the request. Once it's at the required node, the user can then click on the dispatch button to be able to give instructions to the robot and provide the necessary items to be delivered. On the new dispatch page, the user firstly unlocks the door to put in the mail. Then fills in the destination and reference number and clicks on the confirm button. Once this is done, the robot begins to move from the current node to the new destination given to it. The robot uses computer vision using a camera to recognize colors as its localization method. The robot is able to recognize the colors of its parts and use that to know where to move and how to move. If an obstacle appears in front of the robot, it will stop and wait for the obstacle to be cleared before it would proceed in its movement. Once it gets to its destination, the receiver can then log into its account to receive the package. Upon login, the receiver can then head to the inward page, where the accept button would appear on the action column of the subject matter row. The user can then click on the accept button and confirm the status as completed. Then click on the confirm button to open up the door. The user can then pick out the delivered mail. The system stores the identifier of the user that collects the mail for future reference.